Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to cancel Nextdoor account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to cancel or delete your Nextdoor account permanently, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Nextdoor application and be sure to be logged in with your Nextdoor credentials as well. Now once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on your profile icon, which is located at the top right corner of your screen, and once you're inside there, what you need to do is tap on your settings on the bottom of your screen. Now once you're inside your settings, what you need to do is just simply tap on the account settings on the top of your options, and once you're inside the account settings, all you gotta do is simply scroll down until you find the deactivate your account option on the bottom, tap on it, and now in order to delete it, simply follow the on-screen prompts to successfully delete your account. And something to note is once deleted, you lose all posts, private messages, and new listings. If you just want to take a break, you can deactivate email or push notifications instead of deleting. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.